Welcome to my channel.
Welcome back to my channel. Let's make some peanut butter oatmeal cookies. Here I'll be using 3/4 cup of sugar, half cup of water, half teaspoon of salt, 1 ounce soft butter. It doesn't really matter, soft or hard, it's gonna melt anyway. So put it on a low heat. Don't stir. Don't put your spoon in it, or else the sugar is gonna crystallize. Add your flavoring. I like to use vanilla. You could shake it every now and then, but don't put spoon in it, at least for the next 5 minutes. When it starts to turn into syrup, then you can stir. Let's get the other stuffs ready. This is 2 cups of oatmeal. You could use old-fashioned, you could use instant oat. Then peanut butter, the quantity you like, but I'm using 3 tablespoons, and 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Just, my kids love it, so chocolatey. Now you can see this is getting like syrup. Just that's the same way you make your pancake syrup and all, and the same way you make caramel. So this is it. So in case you did not make enough syrup for this, you could use you could add a little bit of pancake syrup. But right now, let's see if I made enough for this quantity. Looks good, not too dry. Cook it a little more, but you don't have to though. But I like to leave it on the stove on the heat for a while to make sure it's cooked, So stretch it out. So bring it out from the heat and start scooping it. It's as quick as that. I'm going to be using the remaining and turn it into a bar. Same way, just spray in and not enough for the bowl I'm using, but let's see what we can do with that. Press really tight. Great snack for school, work, to have just in the kitchen, healthy too. Thank you for watching, and see you back soon. Bye.